In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make labels in Word, Microsoft Word tutorial. Creating labels in Microsoft Word is a simple and efficient way to produce professional-looking mailing labels, name tags, product labels, or any other type of label you might need. By using Word's built-in tools, you can quickly format and print your labels without needing extra software or complicated steps. To start, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once your document is ready, navigate to the Mailings tab at the top of the screen. This section contains all the tools you need to create labels, envelopes, and even perform mail merges, making it the central hub for your labeling tasks. Next, click on the Labels option, and a window will appear where you can type the text you want on your label. If you plan to use the same text across multiple labels, you only need to enter it once here, which saves time and keeps your labels consistent. After entering your text, click on Options to select your label type. If you are using a specific brand of label sheets, such as Avery or Smith Corona, select the corresponding brand from the label vendors list. Then, choose the product number listed on your label packaging. This step ensures that your text will be perfectly aligned with the label layout, preventing misprints or uneven spacing. Once your label type is selected, click OK. If you want to fill the entire sheet with identical labels, click New Document. Word will generate a new document with a full page of labels formatted and ready to print. At this point, you can further customize your labels by adjusting the font, size, style, or alignment to achieve the exact look you want. Make sure to carefully review your layout so that everything appears correctly before printing. Finally, print your labels using your printer and double-check that your label sheets are loaded properly to avoid any misalignment. Once printed, your labels will be professional, consistent, and ready to use. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily create high-quality labels in Microsoft Word for personal, academic, or office use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials.